guess what? Vancouver was a little hotter than usual this weekend because Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra and Ranbir Kapoor descended over Vancouver. Shilpa Ratnam caught up with them and of course spoke to them about their big fan following overseas and also their upcoming projects. Over to Shilpa Ratnam.
I'm here with Ranbir Kapoor in Vancouver, Canada. Oh yes, Abhi. Ranbir, did you meet your fans in Canada, or like they call you here, Ranbir?
Yes, it's my first time in Canada, and just seeing all the warmth, the love, and the nice things that they have to say about you. You feel so good. Sometimes you're in disbelief. Case, are they actually screaming for me? Do they actually want to click a picture with me? You actually feel that. Even after acting for 5 years, but it feels great, and I hope that through our movies, we can reciprocate that love and kind of make them happy.
You are rocking everyone's world with your promos of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and also your look in Besharam. Two diametrically different roles, Ranbir. So, are you hoping to win over the critics and the fans this year?
Every film comes with its own challenges. They both are different genres, the different directors, different characters. So I hope that I can, in that 1 year time when both films release, people can see two of me, two different people. So yeah, that's the intention. That's the work that has been put in. So I hope I'm successful in that.
And how's the Kishore Kumar biopic coming along? Last time I spoke to you, working on that too.
Well, he's still writing it. Right now, after this, I start working with Anushka on a film called Bombay Velvet, directed by Anurag Kashyap. Really excited. It's a great 50s, 60s gangster love story. And post that, I work with Imtiaz again, and then I'll work with Miss Anurag Basu.
And we look forward to seeing you in all of that. Shah Rukh, do you ever tire of the adulation? Do you ever tire of the awards?
I feel very touched. I get very happy. As a matter of fact, most of the time what I do is about the people who see it. I like the fact that I'm able to touch people's lives through the films that I do in whatever manner. I don't take it too seriously, but it makes me feel the happiest if I can touch them, feel them, hug them, kiss them, autographs and all I find incidental.
We saw the new still of yours from Chennai Express. You're walking out from fire. When are the promotions going to start out in full swing?
Yeah, the promotions will start soon enough, yeah. I think the picture's out. I think it was on the DP or someone, though that's not a final picture, but yeah, the promotion will start in about 10-15 days or 20 days maybe.
The people come out here to see you, people come out to interview you. How are you feeling in Canada?
I'm very excited. I'm very happy to be here. I've never come to Vancouver. I've come to Canada many times, but being here is very special. So much love from everyone from the time I've arrived, and it's really gratifying.
You're one of the actresses who has one of the most enviable figures, and now you're even more in shape, if that's possible. And you said you have Mary Kom to thank for that, right?
I do have Mary Kom to thank for that. Playing her in the movie has forced me into going to the gym because I have to train myself to look like a boxer, and that has made me come into great shape. So thank you, Mary.
Priyanka, I saw the Telugu trailer of Zanjeer. Unfortunately, it was taken off air. So is the matter still under sub judice? What's happening with that?
I actually have no idea. I've been out of, after I launched the trailer in Hyderabad, I left the country because I had to go to America to shoot my video. So I have no idea what is happening on that. It would be best to ask production.
Alright, great. Thank you so much for talking to us, Priyanka.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Thanks.